Royal Navy is transforming, with new equipment and technologies being brought into service. But an organisation is only as good as its people, and people are at the heart of Selborne. At the University of Lincoln, our goal is to help modernise education and training for Royal Navy personnel to better prepare them for the opportunities and challenges of the 21st century.
The University of Lincoln's role in Team Fisher is to deliver the educational elements of the partnership. There are three elements to what the University of Lincoln delivers. The first one is accrediting programmes and courses that exist within the Navy to degree standards. The second bit is we have the Maritime Studies Centre at Britannia Royal Naval College, Dartmouth, which is where I've got a team of 12 academic staff delivering maritime studies across arts, science, social science to Royal Navy officers. And the third bit is we're the educational advisor to the Royal Navy, including how to modernise education for the future.
We've now been delivering distance learning programmes to Defence for over 20 years. During those 20 years, we've developed bespoke programmes in areas such as aerospace, communications, logistics, engineering, human resources.
So our job is to help the Navy modernise and help its learners adapt to the future and the learning environment that's coming. Some of the ways we can do this are by introducing more hybrid ways of learning, digital development through bespoke pathways for those in the workplace, so for naval personnel who might be at sea or in operations or in busy jobs. And all of that the university has great experience in doing.
The University of Lincoln's a young university. The really good thing about that is it hasn't got 400 or 500 years of bureaucracy to wade through to get things done. We don't tend to just pick up what we've got on the shelf behind us and offer that to someone. So we work with partners and co-create what solutions for the challenges that they're facing.
Therefore, we're able to develop bespoke programmes that offer outcomes for both the employer and the employee. Everybody is involved with the development and the engagement with programmes and with modernisation. Whether it's students, whether it's academic staff, or whether it's the supporting professional services, whether it's partners, everybody is engaged and we work together to make improvement.
For us, the future looks like a more bespoke series of pathways. So we would see more modules, more shorter modules that could be chosen at different times and undertaken in different places. We'd see more digitisation and more diversification to support that.
One of the areas that the university is working on is development of micro-credentials, which are small units of learning. This is really attractive, I think, for those personnel in the military. Often the military flicks people between their career fields, which means at short notice they get thrown into something they've never done before. A micro-credential is something that can be done in a very short period of time, online, remotely, and gives them enough of a background and knowledge to at least start, with the potential to develop using further micro-credentials down the line to develop that capability. Micro-credentials enable the Armed Forces personnel, or those taking the micro-credentials, to gain the credits they need to develop a substantial or achieve a substantial qualification, educational qualification at degree or post-degree level.
The future of learning looks different, and the Royal Navy is also rapidly modernising. At the University of Lincoln, we believe that Selborne is about supporting the Royal Navy in that modernisation journey. So for us, the future really does look different.